Truly speaking, there has never been a better time to be a student in Nigeria than now, guys. There are so many amazing opportunities to make money online legitimately as students. In fact, if I knew all the things I know now when I was a student, I don't think I'll be where I am today by now. Anyways, if you're a student and you're looking for how to make money online and augment your pocket money, stick around and listen till the end of this video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you very much. You guys rock. And if this is your first time, my name is Bookie Below, and on this platform we talk about everything personal development. I also share amazing opportunities for growth. So if you're yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button showing right now on your screen so you don't get to miss any updates that I make every week. Now let's get into the video. The first way you can make money online as a student is to sell vintage items on Etsy. So there's a platform, a website called Etsy.com, ETSY, where they bring together buyers and sellers of vintage items, like all those classic vintage clothing materials, shoes, bags, and fashion items and things like that. So you sell it in dollars to people that are looking for such items. And you know that a lot of people abroad, they love Nigerian vintage items. So if you have these items, probably your mother's, your grandma's fashion items, you could sell some of them and make money on this Etsy.com. And if you are thinking that you're going to run out of these items, when you sell them, you could buy other products, other vintage items still on the platform, and then resell again for a higher price. So that's a way you can make money, right? So another thing is another way you can make money as a student online is through transcription jobs. These days there are a whole lot of transcription jobs whereby you have to transcribe speeches into written words, whereby you don't need a lot of skill to do this. You just get those jobs. There's a website called Transcribe Me, whereby you can get these jobs. I'm going to add a link to this video. So the link contains all the other ways you could make money as a student in Nigeria, including some ideas I may not be sharing in this video, and also the link to the transcription jobs that you could get. Now, another way you could make money as a student in Nigeria is through video editing. So if you have the video editing skill, or you are willing to learn it, it's something that could fetch you a lot of money, because businesses these days are big on videos. Small business, big businesses, they are big on videos. They are using video storytelling to grow their businesses. And so people are looking for editors who could make them have good videos that would help them to grow their brand. So you could make money using this skill, video editing skill. Another way you could also make money is through starting a blog, a niche blog, that you can earn from. People feel that blogging is dead, but that's a big lie. A lot of people are still making money blogging in Nigeria. So as a student, you could start a blog, get a domain name and a platform like WordPress, which is free, and start blogging. So some of the highest paying niches now include insurance, food blogging, travel blogging, health, and all those niches like that. So you could make money as a student. You just need to create some time to do your writing, probably at night, or any convenient time for you, and you can make money from Google AdSense, from sponsored posts, and other avenues of making money, right? So another way you could also make money online as a student is to make money by banking with V. V is an online platform whereby you can make money. It's owned by VFD Bank. VFD Bank is one of the macro finance banks in Nigeria, owned by one of the biggest banks in Nigeria. So they have their back behind this V app. So on the V app, you could save money, have your regular savings account with the minimum balance of 2K, which you could also withdraw at any time. So with your 2K now, you could invite or refer other people to use this platform and also save some amount of money. So if you're able to refer as many people as possible, you could earn as much as 30K per month from the people that you refer, and even more. That's just the least amount that you could make as a student if you refer a number of people. So you can make this steady income of 30K at least using this V app. if you're able to get enough referrals. Yeah, so another way you could also make money as a student is to start making or taking stock photography. Now, if you're a photographer or you love to take beautiful photos or pictures, you could start making money by selling your beautiful portrait pictures on platforms such as Shutterstock, Deposit Photos, Jetty Images, and many others like that, and get paid in dollars whenever anybody buys your beautiful photos. Now, another way you could also make money is by publishing an ebook and selling it on a platform such as Amazon Kindle Publishing. Now, there are a lot of people that are looking for information on different topics. If you make your research and you know some of the topics that are in hot demand, you could write an ebook to meet this need and sell your ebook easily on Amazon Publishing, Kindle Publishing, where a lot of people already know that they get their ebooks. Now, this is a good way of making money as a student because you can earn a lot of money. I think the cheapest ebook on Amazon should be around $2 to $9. So imagine that if your book is successful and a lot of people are buying it, you make a whole lot of money from this ebook publishing. Then another way you could also make money is by owning a YouTube channel, just like this one, right? So it doesn't take you much to start a YouTube channel. Really, you only need to know what you want to talk about. It could be a blog where you just talk about your lifestyle, maybe your schoolwork, and just inspire other students, or any other thing that you're passionate about. You could start a YouTube channel around that and start to grow it by churning out content regularly, at least once a week. And before you know it, if you're able to get subscribers and you're able to get enough watch hour, you can now monetize your channel and start getting money by Google AdSense. And then as you even grow more, you could even attract other sponsors for your channel. So YouTube is, a lot of people are just loving videos these days. People love video content. So I tell you, creating your YouTube is one of the ways you could make money online as a student now. Now, another beautiful way to make money as a student in Nigeria is to start drop shipping. Now, drop shipping is when you sell items, probably fashion items, electronic material, or whatever thing that you sell. But in this case, you do not have to buy those products in stock. You don't need to have an inventory. You don't need you don't need a lot of money to buy those stocks, those material, and keep them in a warehouse or in your home or wherever. You only need to have a platform where you can display the images of these items that you love to sell online. So probably you need to have images that you post on your WhatsApp business page or your Facebook, Instagram page, and all like that, so that people can get to see these images and you can promote the business that you're in. And once you have once you have orders, once people start to say they like to buy this item or that item, you will now contact a manufacturer that you are already liaising with, so that the person, the manufacturer, either sends the good to the person that is ordering, that wants to buy, or you yourself now it now delivers the good. And once the person pays, you get your money, and also the manufacturer or the or the dealer or whatever now also takes their cut, and everybody is happy. Now, it's just a way of linking buyers to seller. Now, people have seen images on your page and they love it, and they ask for the price and all of that, and then it gets delivered to them. So you don't need a lot of money to start drop shipping. It's a very ideal business for students, and I know a lot of students that are making a lot of money from this way of making money. So another good way you could make money as a student in Nigeria is to sell services on creative platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and others. You may sell services such as graphics design, animation, video editing, copywriting, script writing, SEO, you name it. All these skills are in odd demand, and if you have the skills, you could render these services and make money on Fiverr for not less than $5 each time you perform any of these services. And now that's a very good way for you to make money online in Nigeria as a student. Don't forget, there is a link in this video's description whereby you can get all the necessary information on how you can make money as a student in Nigeria, and even more ideas I did not cover in this particular video. Don't forget to check that description out. And also, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click the subscribe button now so that you don't miss any updates like this that I make every week. And now that will be the end of this video, and I see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.